This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own vegan protein powder. First, making your own powder offers incredible benefits. You can save a lot of money compared to store-bought options, which often come with a high price tag. More importantly, you gain full control over the ingredients, ensuring everything is natural and exactly what you want. This lets you avoid any artificial flavors, sweeteners, or other unwanted additives. It is a smart, healthy choice for your body and your wallet. Selecting your primary protein base is the first key step. Pea protein is an excellent, widely available option known for its neutral taste and high protein concentration per serving. Brown rice protein offers a complete amino acid profile, but can sometimes feel a bit gritty. Hemp protein is another fantastic choice, rich in fiber and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Often, combining 2 or 3 different protein sources creates a more balanced and effective powder for your needs. Now, let's add some delicious flavor and nutritional boosts to your base. For taste, unsweetened cocoa powder or pure vanilla bean powder work wonderfully. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can add a comforting aroma and flavor profile. To enhance nutrition, incorporate ingredients like chia seeds or ground flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Superfood additions, such as maca powder or spirulina, can elevate your powder with even more health benefits. Blending your ingredients is quite simple. First, carefully measure out all your chosen dry components. Then, combine them in a high-speed blender or a powerful food processor. The goal is to achieve a very fine, consistent powder, so blend in short bursts until smooth. This helps prevent the mixture from overheating, especially if you have included seeds. Once blended, transfer your powder to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark place for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.